Do you want to know what the Crypto.com badges are and what this new bonus opportunity gives you? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've been using this app for quite a while, and I regularly post videos if there's any new things about it to show how to use the app, and also why I actually think it's a really great crypto app if you like cryptocurrencies. And recently I announced a new feature called the Crypto.com badges, and I wanted to show you exactly how that works so you know that you need to be aware of this if you already use the app, and if you're just considering using the app, then this is a great feature to just keep in mind when you start using it. So let me just log in now and then we'll take a look. So I have now logged into the Crypto.com app, and just to make it clear, this is not a full tutorial. If you're looking for a full Crypto.com tutorial, then I also have a video about that. I will leave a link in the top corner there. Here we'll focus on these badges, and to find more information about those, you need to go to the mission that you can find there at the top corner at the time of recording this video anyways. You can also go to the big menu, the big button there, and here you can also find missions there. So it doesn't matter which route you go, it takes you to the same place. And this is where you can see these new badges. And if you click it, then you can read a little bit more about it and see the different badges they have. So you can see that the first one you'll get is just if you have traded for at least $100 worth of cryptocurrency inside the app. But if you move up there, you can see there are a lot of different badges you can get there. And if you can see all the way up there, of course you need to be a really active trader and really know what you're doing to get to this level and to get this badge. But it's also important to understand that both the badges and the features and what benefits you get and all that will likely change over time. At the time of recording this video, it's still a quite new feature, but you can say, yeah, okay, so why should I care about a badge here? Of course, it looks cool, that's one thing, but as you can also see, you, for example, will also get diamond rewards. Every time you get a new badge, you will get that, but it also has different other benefits that we'll talk a little bit about in just a few seconds here. Let's first go over these diamonds so you just have an idea about what can you use those for. So when you're inside the missions tab there, you can see there's some diamonds in the top corner. You can earn these diamonds by doing different missions. I also have a full video where I show more about my exact results after having gotten like more than 20 of these different mystery boxes you can get with these free diamonds. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can also check that out. But just quickly to show you, you can go to the store here. Then you can see the diamonds you get. You can, for example, get NFTs, so you can get some different, merchandise there, and also you can get these mystery boxes. So I'll just get one of those now there. You can get that for 25 diamonds. So I would click this and then I would redeem it, and I would just keep clicking here, and then I got a silver box and I can tap it, and then you can see then I got a 9.3 Crow, the Crypto.com's own cryptocurrency. I got that just into my wallet here now, free crypto. So that's one way you can use this. But as mentioned, I have a full video where I go more into the details about this. But a great extra benefit when you get a new badge. But let's also just go over some of the other benefits you potentially can get from the badges. I'll just close down my phone and then show that on the screen because it's just a little bit easier to look at there. So Crypto.com has a whole article on the website also where it describes more about it. And you can see it's the first collection that has been dropped now there. And just by being active, you will get a new one. We went over the different badges that they currently have, as you saw inside the app there. But you also, let's look here at what you can do. Because you can see you get access to also exclusive in-app experiences. So it's not just the free diamonds, which is of course great, but for example, you can also get personalized home screens and messages and the surprise diamonds there. And also you can also share it, for example, on social media. But this is what it offers at the time of recording this video. This will likely change and more benefits might be added later, but also already now that you can get these exclusive in-app experiences, if you use the app a lot, that can be quite handy and be pretty cool. And then of course also these free diamonds is also very nice to get. So overall, I think the Crypto.com badges are a quite nice new feature that can motivate you and that just makes it fun to use the app. Overall, I think it's a really user-friendly app and it has a lot of these extra features. Of course, it can be a great way to both buy and sell crypto and keep an eye on the market, but it also has a lot of these extra gamification, small extra features, small extra bonuses. For example, the badges that they have now introduced that I personally think makes it a really cool app to use if you are interested in crypto. And if you have not joined Crypto.com yet and want to do it, then if you join through an invitation link, you can also get potentially a $25 joining bonus. I'll leave my invitation link and code below. So if you decide to join and give it a try, then you can use that. And then if you live up to the requirements that they describe inside, then you will get these $25 joining bonus. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you and gave you a good overview of what the Crypto.com badges are. And if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.